I mean, did you think he was gonna fall when you hit him?
I didn't know he was gonna fall. No, but I seen he was stunned. And then when I ran up on him, I seen he took that knee. He didn't want to hit him again.
I guess what I'm trying to ask is, when you hit him, did it feel like it was a really hard shot?
Yeah. I connected. I caught him flush with both of them.
He didn't even make an attempt to get up.
Yeah.
But I was running up on him to finish him.
Oh, yeah.
Pull off.
He took a couple steps back, took a knee, and then he acted like he was out cold.
Well, I put him on the temple with the second.
Delayed reaction, you think?
Yeah.
Take it to the bank!
Okay, here with still unbeaten Derek, take it to the bank. Webster, you have a new nickname now?
My name gonna stay the same. Take it to the bank. It ain't never gonna change.
22-second bank.
But you know the bad thing was they used to call me that in the amateurs, 22 seconds. My very first fight was 22 seconds. This is video, right?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all catching me getting pretty.
What do you think was, your best asset in the fight that worked for you so fast?
I mean, we knew that he was going to throw a lot of lazy jabs. We knew that from the very beginning, and lo and behold, he couldn't even throw one meaningful jab from the beginning of the fight. So when he threw it, I noticed when he fell off balance, and I was able to catch him with the two shots, which both landed on his temple. Then he had that delayed reaction, like he went out for a second. So I mean, when I seen him stumble, I ran up on him to finish him, but he took the knee, which was probably the smart thing to do. I mean, not saying because I was gonna run down on him, but he did the smart thing by taking that knee. But then when he went out in the corner, that was kind of scary.
3 seconds, that's what he did.
Is this your first fight under your new promotional company?
Yes, sir.
GH3.
GH3, yeah.
Yeah. You like the fit?
I mean, it's a new fit, and I'm still learning. I didn't get really a chance to really show them the explosiveness I had like I wanted to for this fight, but I mean, a victory, a knockout is a good thing. I mean, I really hope that my opposition I hope he's doing okay, because in this sport, it's just a sport, so it's not like he stole anything or did anything to my family, but I hope he's okay. When I seen him go out in the corner, that was a scary situation right there.
Yeah, I think I saw him walk out before I came in.
Well, as long as he walking, then he good.
So since, you didn't take any damage in this fight, so you could be back in the ring pretty soon, right?
We're looking at February 29th on NBC Sports, the co-main event. And whoever they put me with, I'm fine with. I think my target right now is Chavez Jr. I would love to get a fight with him.
Yeah, so with Carl Froch. Everybody wants Chavez Jr. these days. Let's see, NBC Sports in 2015. I think Al Heyman has the dates for that whole year.
I mean, I'm just a fighter, so I know that my date is February 29th. So I'll be training hard, going back to camp, and we're gonna look to keep on moving this train forward.
Any new people you've been working with recently?
Matt Corbaugh. I went down with him. Lynn Johnson, Andre Durrell. But I mean, every world champion as of today, I've been in the ring with. I've shared the ring with. So I'm getting real good experience. I own most of everything that I'm going through. I owe it to my trainer. He takes out the time, grind with me, run with me. I sweat, he sweat. I stress, he stress. So I can't take all the credibility for everything. I just work hard. And I know that I'm a man with so many talents. When I get into that ring, I can adjust to anything. I didn't know nothing about him. Guys from another country, they keep sending me these people from Ghana. They might call me the Canadian killer. Keep sending them over. I'm gonna keep cooking.
Speaking of guys from other countries, Gennady Golovkin is the king of your division, middleweight.
Well, middleweight. I don't know where they put me at. Middleweight, super middleweight, light heavyweight. You put them in front of me, I'm gonna beat them.
All right. Okay. Who do you think? I mean, where would you, kind of rate the divisions? What's the more difficult division, middleweight or super middleweight?
I don't know. In every division, people running from me. So you would have to ask them that.
All right. So would you be willing to move up and down in weight, or are you going to stick to one?
I've done that, middleweight to light heavyweight.
Yeah, I know you've done it now, but
I will go wherever they put me at. You put me in that ring, I'm gonna find a way to win.